tablespoons of oil. 2, 3. Onions and peppers. Oh! Put this in a bowl, and then I'm going to do the chicken, and then that's when I'm going to do the taco seasonings. That's why I didn't season this with anything, because it's all going in the taco. Same pan again. 2 more things of oil. 2.
And as the leads are running some race against time almost.
I dumped the liquid out so I can do the seasoning.
I'm going to
add a little bit of water.
He was writing a book. Currently, I am currently writing a book. Okay, now that's a month different, but I don't think that if you had finished your book in July, that you would say...
This is what it's looking like. I'm going to add the vegetables back in, give it another mix. Mix it up. And there we have it. This is our quesadilla filling.
USA, faith.
Thin layer.
All about faith in the past and what was done in that seems to be our soon-to-be Christian life, encouraging in church. Again, more on that tomorrow. Just wanting, they are discussing Emmanuel that all of these facts from fiction recognize that the media power does not have more conspiracies.
Serving the chicken.
That's pretty obvious. Any woman looks at
the veggies.
No, something else. All right, you guys. One of the reasons that I have stayed with Amy, is that they make.
Why you do that, baby? And then put on top, and then I'm gonna flip them. Okay, hopefully this isn't too hard to flip. Okay, this is actually the kids' quesadilla. Mine is gonna have jalapenos inside. Jalapenos, a lot of cheese. A big bag quesadilla. Them. Hopefully they didn't burn. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, now it's time to take it off and enjoy. I'm gonna have some sour cream and salsa, or either this creamy chipotle stuff I have, I'm not sure. I'm gonna add this to it. I just lifted it up and just put it on top. You can see it's coming out a little bit. Let's cut it together. You okay, little baby?